Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Y'all, spring is fastly approaching. Last frost date is fastly approaching. I think we only have 1 week left. What is this? I don't even know. It may be 1 or 2 weeks. I think our last frost date is April 5th. So yeah, it's here. Okay, it's here. I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off, honey. I've been running around trying to prep. Oh Lord, been trying to prep and still got prepping to do. I've been sowing bulbs, flower bulbs. And the reason why I'm sowing so many flowers this year is because I want the bees to help me out. The bees, all the pollinators, okay? Bees, hummingbirds, whatever. I need the ecosystem to work with me this year because I don't want to have to go out there and self-pollinate anything, okay? Like, we are here to work as a team. So I'm going to sow as many flowers as I can, not only for the ecosystem, but also for me. I love cut flowers. That'll be one less thing I have to do. Go to the grocery store and buy some flowers. I can grow them myself. Go in the backyard, cut them up. Go out, step on the porch, cut it, pop them in the vase. Also, I've been trying to harden off these seedlings. Now this year my seedlings did not take off the way that I wanted to, but nevertheless it's okay because once they get in their natural environment, they're gonna take off. Like, they are gonna be like blooming and booming as soon as they get adapted to the good old nutrients that's in the soil with the worms and, you know, good compost that they need to thrive from. So I've been taking these seedlings out every day for the last couple of days to try to harden off, to get them acclimated to their natural environment. It is a little tedious, but I think it's necessary. So it's something that I'm gonna have to continue to do, even though it is a little bit of work. But yeah, that's what I've been doing with that, and I'm so excited to just get everything out and sown outside as soon as the last frost day come through. You can catch me outside because I'm gonna be out there like overtime. I don't have a top. Yeah, no, not the Dollar Tree. Yay. Okay, so another thing that's on today's list, we're going to be inoculating each chicken of the woods. We inoculated some lion's mushrooms about 2 weeks ago with the oak wood that we have. So I have some blue oyster mushrooms, but they're not compatible with the oak wood. So I grabbed these chicken of the woods, which is a really good compatible with the oak wood. So we're gonna go ahead and inoculate these today. Alrighty. No, you can stay right there. No, I'm not done. So this right here is a soil acidifier. If you do not know, blueberries like acidic soil, just like strawberries. So what I'm doing here is just amending the potted soil that I have with this soil acidifier. So soil acidifier just brings up the pH level to 4.5 to 5.5. So the blueberry bush or whatever you're planting in that likes acidic soil, it get all the nutrients that it needs for that particular plant to thrive. So the acidic soil is full of bacteria that breaks down the minerals in the soil. So it releases a lot of iron, phosphates, and magnesium, which is what the blueberry tree or whatever you're planting needs to survive. So if you find something amendment-wise with those 3 key components, I think that it'll work just as fine as just like any soil acidifier. Also, when looking to purchasing a blueberry bush, you always want to make sure that you get a particular blueberry bush that is adaptable or suitable for your growing zone. So I'm in zone 8A, North Carolina. So these are high, I think there are 7 high bush blueberry bushes. You also probably want to look into getting 2 different types of varieties of blueberry bushes so they can help cross-pollinate and so you can get a bountiful harvest all throughout the season. So this right here, you guys, is the purple dead nettle that I mentioned in my last video. I'm coming out to harvest it. It comes every March. It is a good herb. Some would call it weed, but you know, most weeds are herbs. So I just think it's a beautiful thing to have something right out in your backyard, right at your fingertips that is very medicinal. I've just been on this urge. I've been wanting to forage things, and what better way to do it than right in my own backyard. So I did a little digging and research. So this purple dead nettle is very high in essential vitamins such as A, K, and C. It has really good iron and fiber. It is a antibacterial, antifungi, and it helps release allergy symptoms, which is a plus. Now, purple dead nettle, she does have a lookalike. The name is Himbit. Now the difference between henbit and purple dead nettle, the henbit will have a more circular shaped scallop leaves, and the purple dead nettle has more of like a heart shaped leaf. Now henbit is not, poisonous or anything. It's just as medicinal as the purple dead nettle, but they're those two do look similar and alike. But yeah, one is the henbit and one is a purple dead nettle. Okay, you guys, we got all the leaves and the purple flowers off. So here we are. Look how pretty that is. Look. Love it. So we're going to dehydrate this on between 95 to 115. So we're going to dehydrate it and get it completely dry. So I bought these little seed packets from Amazon. I think I got 100 for about $8. I think they're going to be good all the way around as far as saving seeds. So I'm going to be saving these seeds that dropped through the colander, through the strainer when I was deheading the purple dead nettle. So yeah, I'm going to save these. So here we have it, you guys, fully dehydrated purple dead nettle. You want to make sure if you dehydrate your herbs or anything else for that matter, you want to make sure all the water properties are out of it so it can fully preserve and it won't go bad. So yeah, this should last up well in a cool, dark, dry place. It should last to maybe 2 to 3 years, if that. So yes, here we have it, purple dead nettle. Super excited what else I can find in my backyard and just learn and grow and see what else God has blessed us with. So yeah, this is it. I hope someone got inspired to go out and sow a seed, whether it's indoor or outdoor. Let's go out and sow a seed.